beautiful people, and welcome back to Her Styles TV. I'm back. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. And of course, we're back with the crochet braid, but this is a different style. We're doing 2 braids and the crochets at the end. Now, let me be honest. I am not one to be doing these feed-in braids. I told my client, I know how to do them, but I don't do them on a regular basis. So we could go for it. And she was like, oh, I know you could do this. But yes, so it took me a minute to really get into the groove with these because, like I said, I'm not the one to be doing these like that. And I only do it for clients, not, new clients coming in. But anywho, what we're doing, like I said, is the 2 feed-in braids, and the crochet is going to be intertwined at the end. Now, don't be mad at me because I know the hair is free tress, but I forgot what type of hair it is. I think it's like a Cuban twist hair, but like I said, I'm not sure. But it's free tress, I know for sure. But yes. So, like I said, this is what we're doing. This is another style that you could do or get your stylist to do. But yeah, just enjoy the video. And I'll be back. All right. All right. I want to say that braiding and doing the feed-in method, that is a task. And I commend you braiders that know how to do these feed-in braids with no problem. But, or if you do them on yourself, I commend you because the struggle was real. And I'm the type of stylist, if I'm not sure or really don't do something, I will be the first to let you know because people are paying their money and I don't want to be like, yeah, girl, I got this. I could do this. And I'm struggling and you like, okay, what are you doing? And then it might not come out the best. But you're like, okay, I don't want to pay you or something like that. I always keep the customer first because this is my business. This is how I make a living. And I wouldn't want nobody to do me like that. So if you are a stylist and you go to a stylist and they just do everything, all right. But I'm not going to say it's something they're going to slack in if they do everything. But I'm just saying, your stylist should let you know if that's their expertise. Because like I said, I'll be the first one to say, this is not my ministry, girl. Let me refer you to someone else. Because like I said, people are paying their money. But yes. All right. All right, so I'm putting the hair in and I'm going to go all the way up to her nape with this hair. And I'm just feeding it through the braid. Kind of going, sometimes I'll go under, sometimes I'll just go through at the top. It just depends on how it looks. I just go with the flow, okay? And also I want to say this is my first time doing this, so, or my second time. I think we did it before and I kind of can see where I messed up at, and I kind of went into it this time with a more better understanding of what I was doing. So like I said, this hair is a free tress, like a Cuban twist, afro-ish kind of hair, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So all right, folks, so we're nearing the end of the video. And what I did was put her under the dryer for about 20 minutes with mousse at the top so the edges can lay down and so it can lay down flyaways. But yeah, so we're coming to the end of the video and you're about to see the finished look right there. And so if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at herstyles with the Z15. All right, folks, I will see you on the next one.